What's going on, guys? In this video I'm going over everything that I've done to the car. This is just maintenance and general upkeep since I got it in April of 2016. So to start off, the first thing I got was winter tires, and that was September 2016. So I went on the tire rack, got winter tires with shipping. That was $378.80 plus, actually less, a $70 rebate that Michelin was having, so that came out to $308.80. Shortly after that, I paid $59.95 for a mount and balance. That was the last inexpensive mount and balance I've ever paid. I paid for it, rather. In November 2016, I received a recall for the suction pump. I made a video on that. But that's free. I didn't do anything until February of 2017. I remember calling them when I got the recall, the dealership, and asking if I needed to come in. They asked me if I smelled gas, and I was like, I don't think so. So they didn't have me come in right away, and that wasn't a problem. But the recall service plus an oil change, so free recall plus the oil change, $102.68. I miss doing my own oil changes sometimes. I used to own Subarus, so an oil change was, actually like 40 bucks, if that. So $102. April 2017, another mount and balance, and this one was at the dealership. So that's $89.95. Nothing happened until November of 2017, where I put my snow tires back on. That would be $79.95 because I used a coupon at the dealership. And April 2018, I got my last oil change for another $102.82. And shortly, I think I'm going to put my all seasons back on. I don't really drive my car much because my work situation changed. So I may not actually put a lot of miles on it. So I'm debating on whether or not I should put 4,000 miles on my winter tires or not. So it's really up in the air, but it might pay. But that comes to a grand total of $744.15 for 2 years of Volkswagen Golf ownership. That's not bad. Knock on wood. There we go. It's really not that bad. The other fees I have to pay for, since it is a lease, there is a lease fee that I know everyone has to pay that going in unless I lease another vehicle from them. But overall, this is pretty generic stuff. I mean, overall, pretty stoked that there's no other things that I've had to pay for, and it's still under warranty, so that's always a bonus. And I thought I'd just share this quick video with you guys. Let me know if I'd like to hear your experience with the car that you own. I know a lot of you guys do own a Golf, so it'd be interesting to see if you had any expenses come up. So I'll catch you guys next time.